Good morning, guys. Welcome. It's an early morning. So today we're gonna be analyzing USD CAD and we're gonna be analyzing NZD USD. So USD CAD we're going for a sell and NZD USD we're going for a buy. So we're just gonna let's get right to it, eh? So firstly, we're on a weekly time frame. Gonna mark out the highs and lows of the most recent price action. We can also mark out this as an area of value as well. You can see there's a double top there. Let's see, do we have any other value area? Yes, we do. Down here, we have a value area over there. Okay, so then just need to go to our daily chart. So on our daily chart, you can see we got we got a what do you say? It's a U-shaped where is this? But we can see this whole move is a cup shape. It's a U shape, which means it's a very big possibility that we're gonna go up, and up until this position here to do a triple top before we can go down. Remember, we got a high value area here and here, so most likely we're gonna go up till here and test this high before we can do anything else. Before we can decide whether we're going up or down. That's any month. It's a no man's land. Then we go on a daily. Okay, we just plot what we see, and over here we see some sort of okay, of which we're gonna probably just grow it to that. But as for right now, as the price action is still very active, we're just gonna do that and that. So we see now we're forming some sort of wedge. Then we go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, now this is where things start change a bit. So on the 4 hour, what I can see or what we can see is that price started to do something else. Price might be testing the low here before it continues to the upside. The reason I'm saying that, it broke off correctively. First, it gave us a continuation over here, of which you can plot it out here, of which we can refine to a smaller time frame. But price gave us a continuation there. Then another, which shows us that this whole big move is a correction. Being a correction, we must try and see what structure we have here. What structure do we have? Oh, sorry guys. Okay, I'll sort that out later. We got some sort of correction, which is that type of correction. And we try and move it so we can evolve it as much as we can. But from what I'm seeing it testing this trend line, this upper trend line before we can move to the upside. Maybe trying to give us a bigger, a way bigger a way bigger continuation before we move to the upside, something like this, of which from now what I see now, I see it forming something like that before it goes to the upside. This is very valid. So what we're gonna do from here is that we're gonna go with the first impulse to the downside. Remember, this is a correction, so it's first gonna impulse down, test this low, go up, and which is about 80 pips. We're good with 80 pips for now. And we're gonna wait for that move to the upside. Remember, we have to look for this move to the upside for 90% roll over here. As for right now, it moved correctly. We might move down to test these lows before it goes up. As we can see here, we got the first touch, we got the second touch, and I'm not so clear. Is it? clear enough? Yeah, I see that's the third touch as well. On top of the first touch, second touch, third touch was correct. Oh, Jesus is Lord. But we all recovered. Okay, so looking for a sell on this, of which in this on the 1 hour chart we were given an impulse to the downside, a continuation pattern, and we entered at the break of this. So for us here, what we're left to do is to enter on a sell, whether we earn profit or not, and the stop loss will be so it's supposed to be 11 plus 6, 17, 17 pip stop loss. It's gonna be a 17 pip stop loss. And we come all the way there to 111 pips. For me, that would be a decent enough profit for me. As you see, we don't want those big moves. We might even have to exit around here, around this week here. It's about 50. Normally, I exit at 50, but depends on how the trend moves. All right, that's USD cut for me today. And as for NZD USD, you can clearly see it's doing exactly what you expect USD CAD to do. This is the move that we expect on USD CAD. This whole move to the downside. Remember, in the USD card, we got a wedge like this, same as NZT USD here. The first impulse correction, NZT USD is moving up, and this is a very nice trade for me. I'm very happy with this one actually. Might be on a loss right now, but as you all know, that's part of trading. That's just part of trading. That's how it is. You start with a profit, then you go and get a pro. You start with a loss, and as time goes by, profits come in. So remember, we manage our trades using the 1 hour chart, nothing more, nothing less. So you can see we got a continuation over here. That was my signal to enter. And guys, that's my analysis for today. I just need to clean up my charts now. Let me just clean up my charts and see, just for a clear move, just for cleaner. Okay, so here we go. And okay, guys, that's it for today. We'll wait and see for later.